your Linux machine in your personal laptop. So before this your creation, you have required a VMware workstation. So this VMware workstation you can download from the Chrome on Google's, and you can easily available on the workstation of Pro 17. So here we will go to this create machine, create virtual machine, and go to the next. And if where you want to install, so this is the ISO already I have, that is the app location 19C software, and this is the ISO file which is already I have downloaded. You can also download it from Google, no problem. It is easily available on this Google. This is the ISO image already I have downloaded. And if you want to see how to download and how to configure in this more detail, you can visit my channel. You can see there is a steps and video is available on this channel. So you can visit and you can find it. So let's start. So go to the next option. So I have selected the ISO image, and this is the my virtual name. So whatever we can give in this machine, no problem. So suppose this is I'm creating for MySQL. So I'm just name here giving Oracle 7 MySQL DB. Okay. And I'm just where which location we are going to install. So I will select my D drive because it is a safer purpose. In future, it is use space. If you installing the C drive, it is problematic, and basically it is a space crunch. So I'm just choosing of this some different folder, and if required we will make the new folder in app. So I'm creating a new folder here. Okay, I'll give the my name MySQL DB. Okay, new. This is the folder I have created, and I will select this folder. Okay, and okay. So this machine will be installed on this location. That is the simple steps you can follow. What is the size you want to give? So I'm giving this 20 GB. Just we are installing the MySQL database. So basically the 20 GB is enough for this disk space. Okay, so go to the next step. There is asking for the 20 GB. You can see it will be automatic. Customize this space in this partitions. So it will be by default, it will be taking, and you can see the memory is taking away the 3 MB, 3 GB, no problem. Okay, so I'm just okay and doing it is getting start. So this is the simple way you can install the Oracle Linux server, Linux RHEL 8 version, and if it is successfully installed, then we can proceed for the Oracle database installation. And here that is our part. So this is the separate part. I'm just overview of this how to install the Linux server. And if you have installed successfully Linux server, then you can install Oracle database easily. So here you can see that this is the Linux version of Linux 7.9. That is the OS version which currently it is getting installed in this virtual machine. So here is it is telling automatic boot in the 25 minutes, no problem. We can do enter and space. So it will be automatically go to the next step and tab. So yeah, I will press tab button, so it will be start automatically. Okay, yeah, now installation is in progress. So maybe again asking for the enter, it is go for the next steps. Installation is in progress, you can see here. Okay, it will be take some time, so I'm going to pause this video until installation. uh, so and once the installation is completed, I will continue this video. So let's just okay. One thing here we can see it is all the whatever the required in the servers level boot process is already is installing, and it is successfully, you can see okay, it means it is file is successfully installing. Okay, that is the binary files and all. Okay, no problem. So once it will complete, we will continue this video. Okay guys, hello. So here you can see installation part is completed. Now installation, some summary is given, which we have to set. So date and times, keyword, languages. So here we can change the language. So here is a United English in United States. So we will select India. Okay, and done. Now we can installation source. We have to also provide. And here you can see installation partition is automatically it is automatically separated. Whatever it required, it is automatically configure partition. Okay, so that is automatically we should give that part, and now it is all, it is set up. If you want to change it, you want to change any location, any language, any date and time as per your format and network connectivity, you can also set here. But as it is, we can proceed. Just here I have set my English in India. Okay, just I have checked, and United and India I have selected, done. Okay, you can see India and United both are selected. Now I will go for the Wing installation. Okay, so here I will set some root password. Okay, so I will give you the root password here. So MySQL 123. Okay, and MySQL 123, just we are testing purpose, so I'm just giving the simple password. MySQL 123, MySQL 123. Okay, let's see it is taking or not. Root used administrator, enter the for root user. Okay, it is not taking. I'm just giving the nexus at 1234. Okay, nexus at 1234. Okay, and this password I will save it. Okay, so okay, so I can see here. Okay, so you can see here, user we can create later, no problem. That is the other part. But I have created root password set, so we have taking the root required. We have to set the root password. So simply I am set this root password. Okay, and once it is taking time, it is a fresh installation, so you can see how much file it should be installed from 145 out of 377 file should be download. So we have to wait till installation. Once installation is completed, so we will log in and start the MySQL. So our installation, you can see our here, our installation is successfully completed. You can see now we can reboot this server. Okay, so just I'm taking the reboot. Okay, and it will be some take one within 1 minute. It will be boot up. Okay, so now we will start the MySQL database configuration. Once it will be completed, we will be getting the root. We will wait. I'm just stopping this server, and after stop I have set some configuration. Okay, so I'm just stopping this server. Okay, right. Now I'm going to edit this new setup machine. This is option, and I'll check here on network bridge network. So why they have to put in here bridge network? For my laptop networks, Wi-Fi network to connect laptop, and laptop networks, it will be internally connected to this server. Okay, so I'm selecting this bridge network and okay. Okay. As you can see here, bridge network is already set. You can this is the configuration page. You can see 3 GB memory I have provided, and processor by default is taken 1 GB, and by default taking memory is 3 GB. Hard drive is 20 GB. We have initially I have provided. Okay, CD living room where ISO file, our ISO file we have downloaded, and that part here you can set. Okay, network router bridge you have to set, and sound it by default. So guys, we can again we will start this server, which is, and let's see checking some configuration and what current version of this database. So again login, and I will show you how to check the internet and it's not connecting and picking IP. So how can you construct this your IP? But I'm just logging. Okay. So I'm just IP inventory. Okay. Okay. I'm just checking for host email hyphen I. So here you can see the not giving the host name and IP also. But before that, here our installation we can check what is the configure the IP. So I'm just seeing I'm the ping user is my .8.8. That is the Google IP. You can see network is unreachable. Okay. So I will set I will set this network. For this network setup, I have some command. Okay, guys. So I will show you how to. Okay, guys. So I will show you how to connect. So you can see the TNS ping is not happening here because your IP is not fishing. Okay. So I'm just set up. I have a command. I will show you. So I have the IP link set up. Okay. If I say link, yes, that ENF image 33, okay, interface and us. Okay. It will be set. DH client. You can see the command here. I share this command in YouTube also. DH client ENS. So it will be restart this interface. Okay. ENS 33. Okay. So you can will take time and we will restart this interface. After we start, it will be automatically picking the IP, and I will check. Okay, which is checking time. You can see here that already connected. Okay, so now I will check again host name, host name hyphen I. So you can check, see here it is picking the IP. Okay, 10 is 10.228.51.229. That is our current IP. Okay, if I am going to see in the Google, in 8.8.8, we can see successfully our pinging is Google. It means our connection is successfully there. So guys, here successfully installation and network setup is also supported. Now, uh, this server we have successfully built Linux server 7.9. Okay.
And in this server, we will configure and install MySQL database. So that is the part. So we want to install the MySQL database and configure. So basically, in this tutorial, we want to see. So you can successfully connection our all. Now I will take the session from Putty, the server. So you can see what is the IP. So from the yes, I will take correction through the cookies. So easily we can copy paste our command. So what is the IP you can see? You can see 10 1, sorry, 10 dot into 8 dot 51 dot 59. Okay. So you can see here already accept. Okay. Now I will minimize this and taking this cookie session. So I will log in with root, access. I automatically for which process I have given. You can see all month on the successfully configured. So guys, you can see how to install first Linux and how to configure the memories, CPU, network, and now which we have taken successfully through the PC. PC is the tool we can directly we can take the session through the server.